Morning. Could I have an English breakfast tea, please? Hey.
Coffee, black.
You're wrong about Hightower, you know.
What do you know of my interaction with Special Agent Hightower?
I read it on her face yesterday. Thank you. Or she read it on mine. In any case, I'm all for rattling cages, but one should always consider the nature of the animal inside.
Think of people as animals.
People as animals, animals as people with scales, feathers, and fur. You know, I took the animology test online. What kind of animal personality do you think I am?
I don't care.
Tawny owl. Means I'm self-centered, but I know how to get away with it.
Can I have my coffee, please?
You know, you're probably some kind of bear. You look all cute and cuddly, but you'd rip my face off and not even break your stride. Have a great day.
Put this on his tab, please.